Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how to buy the reserved items on Vinted in 2026. So if you have found something that you love but it says reserved, don't worry, there are still a couple of ways that you might be able to get it. So first of all, you need to understand what reserved actually means. So when an item is reserved, that means the seller has temporarily held it for another buyer. So during this time, no one else can purchase it directly. So you won't see a buy button, and that is normal. Now, here is the best way to still get the item. You just have to simply open the listing, then click on the option of message seller. Now, in the messages section, you just have to send the message to the seller in a very polite way. So you can type something like this: Hi, I'm interested in this item. Please let me know if the reservation is cancelled. So here you can type the message just like so. Now many buyers don't complete the payment when that happens, so sellers often offer it to the next interested person. So this works very often. The second way is simply waiting. The reservations usually last a limited time, sometimes a few hours, sometimes a day. If the original buyer doesn't complete the purchase, the item automatically becomes available again. So once the buy button returns on the listing, you can purchase it normally by clicking on this buy now button. Just keep refreshing the listing occasionally to check its status properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.